In this video, I will show you how to add animations to your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to Online Store. Then click Customize to open the theme editor. Once the editor loads, look at the left side and click the gear icon to open Theme Settings. Inside the Theme Settings, click on Animations. Here, you'll find different animation options, including Page Transition, Product Card to Product Page Transition, and Add to Cart Animation. Simply turn on the toggle for any animations you want to enable, and they will be applied to your store. Below these options, you'll also find Card Hover Effect. Open the drop-down menu and choose the effect you prefer, such as Lift, Zoom, or Scale. Once you've selected your preferred effects, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. That's it! This is how you can add animations to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.